I'm having a fix and flip bus tour where I'm looking for sponsors to help make this one of the greatest events there has ever been for showing real estate investors how to fix and flip properties. What we have lined up is several houses that we're going to walk the people through on this bus tour, show them A to Z what to do, how to do it, the materials they need, and how to estimate buying and selling these houses. But what we need is other professionals to help us have a successful event. So we want you to become a sponsor. So if you are a real estate agent, broker, if you are a mortgage broker, if you're a loan officer, if you're an insurance company, if you are anything with the industry related to helping people buy and sell houses, we want you to be a sponsor. We want you to become part of it. We want you to help make this one of the most successful events so we can have many more with you at it. So go to the fixandflipbustour.com and become a sponsor, and I look forward to seeing you there.
Sponsor the bus tour, promote your brand, get exposure, and become a Fix and Flip Bus Tour sponsor. The sponsorships available include the stage banner video projection sponsorship starting at $25,000, a podium sponsorship for $20,000, the Friday night welcome reception sponsor for $15,000, the Saturday night networking party sponsor for $15,000. Become a titanium lunch sponsor for only $12,500. A diamond breakfast sponsor for only $10,000. Become a refreshment sponsor for $7,500. Become an ice cream sponsor for only $5,000. Become an In the Bus sponsor for $4,500. A water bottle sponsor for $5,000, or a lanyard sponsor for only $5,000. Become a tote bag sponsor for $4,000, or a t-shirt sponsor for $3,500. Become a chair drop sponsor for $3,500, or get a vendor space for $2,500. This and more will be available at this incredible Fix and Flip Bus Tour. Become a sponsor today at fixandflipbustour.com.